Welcome. If you're looking to allow call logs access for Instagram on your phone, you're in the right place. Whether you want to keep better track of your Instagram calls, or you need this feature for a smoother experience, I'll walk you through the updated steps to enable call logs access for Instagram. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open your device's settings. This is usually represented by a gear icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Next, scroll down and look for the section labeled Apps, App Management, or something similar, depending on your phone's manufacturer. Tap on it to see the list of all apps installed on your device. Now, scroll through your apps list until you find Instagram. Tap on the Instagram app to open its settings. Once you're inside the Instagram app settings, look for the option called Permissions. This section manages what information and features Instagram can access on your phone. In the Permissions menu, you'll see a list of different features like camera, microphone, contacts, and more. Find the option labeled Call Logs. Tap on Call Logs, and you'll be presented with different options such as Allow, Deny, or Ask every time. To give Instagram access, simply select Allow. That's it. You've now enabled Call Logs access for Instagram. This means the app can access your call history, which may help with features like call syncing or logging calls made through Instagram. If you ever change your mind, you can always return to these settings and adjust the permissions at any time. Remember, giving apps access to your call logs can impact your privacy, so only allow it for apps you trust and when it's absolutely necessary. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.